Has this happened to you? You have your Thule T2 Pro in the closed position, you're driving along, and when you get out of the car, you realize one of the arms, the hooks for the wheel, is actually moving because of road movement and vibration. Well, likely what's happening is the clamp of the arm onto the rack has loosened and it's allowing too much free play in the arm. Obviously, we don't want it to be too hard to move. We want to easily be able to position it, but we don't want it so loose that it just flops around. In this video, I'm going to show you how to go about tightening that joint. In order to gain access to the pivoting clamp, you will need to remove the 4 screws from this plastic collar. It utilizes a Phillips screwdriver. With the 4 screws removed, the 2 halves can now be separated by pulling them apart. The upper half remains fixed but can be slid backwards to gain access. This exposes the 2 fasteners. On one end is a hex 5mm, and on the other end are 2 nuts that are 13mm. Utilizing your 13mm wrench and your 5mm hex, you could go ahead and tighten the 2 fasteners, applying more clamping force. With the fasteners tightened, we can now reassemble by sliding the upper collar down and putting the bottom half in place, snapping together. We could then continue by screwing in the 4 Phillips screws. And there you have it. That's how we tighten up the wheel arm on our Thule Pro bike rack. Remember, we want to make sure that when we're tightening that, we want to leave enough looseness so it's easy enough to move, but not so loose that when we're traveling down the road in the stowed position that it's going to open up on us. So here you can see with the adjustments I made, we can easily move it, but it's solid enough where I don't have to worry about it swinging open traveling. Thanks a lot for watching, guys.